you got? Oh, you got some applesauce? Yeah? You like applesauce. You took that from the refrigerator, didn't you? Yes, you did. Oh, yeah? That's how you eat applesauce? You're a little piglet. You're being a little piglet. Can you give some to your mommy? Tell your mommy, come get some. Say, Mommy. Where are you going? You just go everywhere now. Oh, you gonna put your applesauce down? There he goes, getting his applesauce. Jaden. Oh. Uh-oh. 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 What'd you do? You spilled it? I think I'll go around this way so I don't slip. Bye.